Coronavirus strikes at last. As a measure to combat COVID-19, we're closing the villa. Can't start a day in Italy without a nice cappuccino to get you going. Oh. Works for me. Good morning from Rome. It's our second full day here in the city. Yesterday, if you missed it, we went to the Colosseum. We had a look around the Roman Forum, which was amazing. Ate some pizza, ate some pasta, had some coffee and wine.
Today we're going to Tivoli area of Rome, which is supposed to have beautiful gardens and beautiful neighborhoods. We're also going to visit the Spanish Steps.
The train's an hour long to get to Tivoli.
An hour and a half.
An hour and a half?
Yeah.
Oh no, what am I going to do? We're at Villa d'Este, however you pronounce it, and there was a lovely little surprise for us. Coronavirus strikes at last. This sign here, after we've travelled here all day, says, following the provisions, blah 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 blah, as a measure to combat COVID-19, we're closing the villa. So that was an entire waste of our day. Brilliant. Guess we're travelling back to Rome now with not much to show for our trip.
So, none of today went to plan.
At all. None of it. Not a single bit. We came back to Rome and now we're on the hunt for some top quality gelato to make the day better. This is pretty nice. Not quite as nice as the villa might have been, but
it's nice for a walk in the afternoon.
yeah, our first time seeing the river here as well.
Yeah.
Where's the gelato?
Are you cold? Yes.
I'm doing the map reading when it comes to the important decisions like finding ice cream quickly.
Of course. This is cute. It feels like a completely different world we entered from the main street. Cute, like Italian streets. Banana though. Banana and mango, I think. That sounds good, banana and mango.
That looks so good, thank you. Oh, what do you think of that?
It looks so good.
Is it worth the walk?
Absolutely.
And does it make the day slightly better after wasting it going to the villa?
Yeah, it does.
Are you happy now, Lily?
Yes.
Very happy?
I'm cold.
Very good. Very refreshing. €2.
Okay.
For like 3 or 4 scoops?
3 scoops, I think.
3 scoops. Yeah, big scoops.
That gelato was amazing.
It was so good.
Yeah.
Gave me that sugar kick that I needed.
Yeah. But now with gelato ticked off the list, it's time for some vino tinto.
Oh yeah. Bit of sweet, sweet wine, baby.
Let's go find some. You don't get much more of a walkable city than Rome. Like every little street and walkway and path has just got the most amazing little shops and architecture hidden down it. Just makes an hour-long walk go so quickly. Yeah, the Colosseum. It's a pretty good view, huh?
Yeah. I like it at night.
I think it's prettier at night, to be honest.
It is prettier at night.
And coronavirus is continuing to muck up our plans. We found out earlier that Lavi's parents' flights are cancelled. We've heard rumours that the Vatican might be closed, which is what we were going to see today. Lavi's looking a bit sad.
It sucks. We tried calling them.
Il sistema automatico di spesa opening hours and ticket prices. Press 1 admission ticket €17.
That wasn't very helpful.
No. So we don't know if the Vatican's open. So we're just gonna go and see. We're not going to see the museums. They decided yesterday that they're gonna close it because of the coronavirus.
We'll have to wait another day to tick the Vatican off our list.
Yeah.
But I bet we can get some good looking footage in the piazza anyway. And then we'll have a coffee to commiserate ourselves. The closest we can get to the Vatican today. Oh, no! Just arriving in the piazza. What do you think?
Yeah, it's quite impressive. It's smaller than I thought it would be for some reason.
Yeah, I think the movies make it look a little bit bigger.
But there's still plenty of people today around.
Another little fun fact for you, because of coronavirus, the Pope is doing all of his addresses through video rather than up in the old spot he has up there. This is in, is it Da Vinci Code or Angels and Demons? The lines point to something.
Really?
Yeah, I remember that.
Here it is. West wind. An angel blowing out 5 streaks of air. This is it.
It looks like the only way we're going to be able to see any of the Vatican is if we join this massive queue that goes all the way around the square. I think that's going to take the entire day to get through the queue, so probably not going to do that. Maybe we'll come back later and see if the queue's gone down. Maybe not. But there's so much more to Rome that we need to see than just one church. Sorry, Vatican. We'll have to come back another day.
Apparently the Colosseum is also closed, so we were quite lucky to visit it 2 days ago.
We're taking a break for some coffee, and I think we found a table with a pretty good view. You can see the Basilica back there, and the piazza. Not a bad spot. Definitely had coffee in worse places. Continuing our exploration of Rome, we're at Castel Sant'Angelo, but it looks closed because of coronavirus. So we're probably just going to keep walking.
I guess we're only seeing the outdoors because everything's closed on the inside. On the bright side though, the weather is gorgeous today. It's really sunny, and even without all the places being closed, I think at least we can walk around and see all the beautiful places, which is still not too bad. Look on the bright side. Isn't this pretty?
Yeah.
Lovely.
So one of the things they seem to really like to do here for lunch is they pre-make sandwiches and then you order them and they toast them fresh for you, which is what we're doing now. I think we've got some salmon and, what is it, salmon and what?
And vegetables, I think.
In like a bagel, right?
Yeah, it's like a salmon bagel. This is really good.
So we've eaten our lunch, we had those yummy bagels, really delicious.
Yeah, they're really good. And now we're heading on to the Spanish Steps in the Spanish Piazza. It's alright, but nothing that special, I think.
Not compared to the rest of Rome, maybe.
No. So we're gonna go see the Villa Borghese, I think it's called.
Borghese.
Which is just like big, grandiose villa.
Pretty nice park to hang out in. I don't think we'd found many open spaces yet in Rome.
No.
Everything was very tight and tiny little streets, so this is quite a nice change, to be honest.
Oh. Fancy. Also closed because of the coronavirus.
So that's the end of our final day in Rome.
It was a shame we didn't get to see the Vatican. Nonetheless, we had a great time here.
We did.
We had good weather, didn't rain at all.
We did. It has been a good trip though. Can't complain. Apart from the coronavirus closing down the Vatican and Villa d'Este and Castello sant'angelo and pretty much everything else, we still had a good time. But yeah, we'll have to come back to Rome later on.
And there's no coronavirus or any other threats.
And visit the Vatican at
And
least.
visit the Vatican. Just Harry doing a little
Oh
dance.
no, you didn't film it. Can't you film the beautiful moon up there? It's a full moon.
No,
we're in
you're
Rome.
beautiful, Harry. You're beautiful and you dance. Beautiful.